Hello everyone, let's look into a good set of Venn diagram. I hope you people have attempted this set. If not, stop the video and link of the question is there in the description section. So you can solve the question and then watch the video solution of it. Also subscribe to the channel because I post a good set of questions every day. So you get the video solution and an update of it or the notification of it on the YouTube channel. Fine. Now let's read the question. A survey was conducted among 100% of a village in Haryana all about cell phones they have ordered from an online website. Each person has ordered at least one. So this is given. So it means that there are no person who has not ordered any of the phone. So there are the three phones, that is iPhone X, MI Note 5 and OnePlus 6. Now, when they were asked about the phone that they have ordered, the following results were observed by the survey conducting body. So the first information is the number of person who ordered iPhone X is more than the number who ordered MI Note 5, which in turn is more than the number of those ordered OnePlus 6. So the first information is that iPhone X is greater, or the number of person who have ordered iPhone X is greater than those of MI, and this is greater than the one who ordered OnePlus 6. So I'm just writing OnePlus. Fine. Now second information says the number of those who ordered OnePlus 6 is more than those who ordered exactly two of these phones. So I can continue this equation over here, that OnePlus 6 is greater than those who ordered exactly two, and which is in turn more than number of those who ordered all the three. So exactly 3. So this is the condition that we would be satisfying, that OnePlus X is greater than MI, that is greater than OnePlus X, that is greater than exactly 2, and that is greater than exactly 3. Now the question was shorter. Now let's see the questions. So if the number of the person who ordered iPhone X is minimum, so we have a condition that the number of person who ordered iPhone X is minimum. Fine. So it is a Venn diagram question. So we'll have a 3-set Venn diagram. So let this for X, this is for MI, this is for OnePlus. Okay. Also the total number of person are 100. Now the condition is that iPhone X is minimum possible. Then find the number of person who ordered MI Note 5. Okay. So just by seeing these conditions, or we have to satisfy the first 3 conditions and of course these 2 even, and we are having a condition that iPhone X is minimum. If we divide 100 among the 3, what it would be in form? It would be 34, 33 and 33. This is a rough calculation that I am doing, but now we have to satisfy that iPhone X is greater than MI and that is greater than OnePlus 6. So let's suppose to fulfill the above condition, I give 1 from 33 to iPhone X. So this would now be 35, 33 and 32. Now look at this equation, that exactly 2 is greater than exactly 3. Now to have this condition, we know that we can make exactly 3 as 0, but to satisfy this condition we'll have to make exactly 2 as at least 1. Okay. Also we are taking end-to-end value, so there will be less common values to these regions. Okay, less common values to these regions, but exactly 2 would have to be at least 1 to satisfy the given condition. So 35, 34 and 32 should do the job. Now let's see if we can arrive at this or not. So as already said, we'll have a less overlapping situation. In this, exactly 3 would be 0. Now as 35 and 34 is making, or sorry, iPhone X and MI has to be made 35 and 34. So let's suppose if we give exactly to this region as 1 and all the other region as 0. Now I have to make iPhone X as 35 because this is the least possible value. So I'll have to put 34 over here. Overall iPhone X would be 35. Now I have to make mi as 34. Is it possible? Yes, if you can write 33 over here. Now I have to make iPhone, or what is remaining? This is 34, then this would be 32. So yes, fine. So we can see that the minimum possible value for iPhone X can be only 35. Okay, and if it is 35, the value for mi that we get is 34. So the answer to the first question is 34. Now let's look into the second question. Let me erase this. Now the second question says find the maximum number of person who ordered 1 plus 6. So 1 plus 6 ko we have to maximize. Also, if you look into the options, it is really too much, 79, 80, 82, 81. So in order to maximize, we'll try to give all the possible values or maximum possible values to the overlapping region. Now what can be the maximum values that can be given to all the three? It would be 49. Why? Because we know that exactly 2 will be greater than exactly 3. So the only possible value that can exactly 3 can get is 49. So that exactly 2 region or the other regions can be made as 51 or 50, or exactly 2 region, this region, the summation of this would be at least greater than 49. So that would be 50 or 51. We'll see. But we cannot extend more than 49. Now in order to maximize, what usually happens is we have to distribute equally to the remaining regions. So if I do it 17, 17 and 17, I'm satisfying this condition that exactly 2 is greater than exactly 3. But this condition is not satisfied. Now what can be done to satisfy this condition? What I'll do is I'll take 1 from this 17 and move it over here. So if I take 1 from 17, this would be 16. And if this is 16, this would be 18. So is it satisfying? Let's cross check it. What would be the total number of phones of OnePlus, or the number of people who have ordered OnePlus? It would be 15. This would be 82. Okay, this is nothing but 18 and 16, 17. So this is 83 and this is 84. Yes, the first 3 condition is being satisfied. So the maximum possible value of 1 plus 6 is 82. So the answer to the second question is 80. Now let's look into the third question. What can be the maximum number of person who ordered only Mi Note 5? So only Mi Note 5, this region, we have to maximize this region. In order to maximize this region, we'll try to make this region as low as possible and that it can go to 0. So if all the 3 region is made 0, this region would be made 0. Also exactly 2 has to be greater than exactly 3. So we'll put 1 over here. Now we'll try to maximize this. Okay. Now in order to maximize, let's try to use option. The maximum possible value over here is 50. So if I give 50 over here, what I'll have to put over here at iPhone X or only iPhone X is 49, which is, and if I put 49, I'll not be able to satisfy the given condition. So 50 will definitely not work. Now let's try the other option, or another lower option, which is 49. So if I put 49 over here, exactly 2, this is made as 1. Okay, this is 49. If I put 50 over here, which is the only remaining, will I be able to satisfy all the values? No, I won't be able to satisfy. See, iPhone X is becoming 51, Mi is becoming 49, but 1 plus is becoming just 1. This condition is not satisfied, that 1 plus 1 has to be greater than exactly 2. Now what to do in that case? In that case, what we'll do is we'll make 1 plus 1 as 1 over here. So this condition would be satisfied, and if I'm giving 49, what remaining I have is 49, which I'll give it to this. So iPhone X would be 50 now, Mi would be 49, and 1 plus is 2. And yes, all the conditions are being satisfied. So the maximum value that only MI Note 5 can have is 49. So answer to this question is second, 49. Now let's look into the fourth question. Fourth question says find the maximum number of person who ordered MI Note 5 and OnePlus 6 but not iPhone X. So we are talking about this region and we'll have to maximize it. Now if you look into the options given, we cannot take 50 over here, because if we take 50, so this is a part of exactly two region. If I take 50, I'll have to make OnePlus as 51 and something greater to MI and iPhone X. So which is again not possible. So 50 cannot be taken, so it can easily be removed. Now let's try for another option, which is 49. What if I take 49 over here? So if this is 49, I'll have to make OnePlus 6 at least greater than 49. In order to make this, I'll have to put 0 over here. If I put 0 over here and of course 0 to this region, so OnePlus 6 I'll have to add 1 over here to make it to greater than 49, because this has to be satisfied. If this is 50 already taken, if I put 50 over here, so this is not possible. iPhone X, which is 50, and OnePlus X is also coming 50, MI is coming for 49. So I can see that 49 will also not work. Now let's try with 48. Now if I take 48 over here, so OnePlus region must be greater than 48. Now I will not try to take much to the exactly 2 region, but I can give 1 over here in the middle, okay, to all the regions. If I do that, OnePlus would be now 49, exactly 2 is 48, so I'm making this as 0. Okay, now MI is 49 as of now. If I give 1 over here, MI would be 50. Now altogether we have utilized 50, so I can give 50 to only OnePlus X. Total of OnePlus X would be 51. And yes, this satisfies all the conditions. So answer to this question would be 348. Hope you have understood it. It was all about adjustment of the numbers accordingly to the situations given in the questions.